Data is only as good as the story it tells. Visualization transforms raw numbers into insights that drive action. Effective dashboards follow clear principles, keep it simple, and focus on key metrics. Tools like Tableau and Power BI create interactive dashboards that engage stakeholders. With analytics, you can ask questions like, "Show sales by region," and get instant visuals. Storytelling with data provides context, explaining trends and guiding decisions. For example, a sales team can visualize quarterly performance to reveal strategic patterns. Best practices include avoiding clutter and tailoring visuals to your audience. A CEO needs high-level trends, while a manager wants detailed insights. With tools like Power BI and analytics, businesses can craft impactful reports that inspire action.